This is NVIDIA Project GR00T. A general-purpose foundation model for humanoid robot learning. The GR00T model takes multimodal instructions and past interactions as input and produces the next action for the robot to execute. We developed Isaac Lab, a robot learning application to train GR00T on Omniverse Isaac Sim. And we scale out with Osmo, a new compute orchestration service that coordinates workflows across DGX systems for training and OVX systems for simulation. With these tools, we can train GR00T in physically based simulation and transfer zero shot to the real world. The GR00T model will enable a robot to learn from a handful of human demonstrations, so it can help with everyday tasks and emulate human movement just by observing us. This is made possible with NVIDIA's technologies that can understand humans from videos, train models in simulation, and ultimately deploy them directly to physical robots. Connecting GR00T to a large language model even allows it to generate motions by following natural language instructions.
Hi, GR01. Can you give me a high five?
Sure thing. Let's high five.
Can you give us some cool moves?
Sure. Check this out.
All this incredible intelligence is powered by the new Jetson Thor Robotics chips, designed for GR00T, built for the future. With Isaac Lab, Osmo, and GR00T, we're providing the building blocks for the next generation of AI-powered robotics.
About the same size. The soul of NVIDIA, the intersection of computer graphics, physics, artificial intelligence. It all came to bear at this moment. The name of that project, Robotics 003. I know, super good. Super good.